Hey guys, so we're going to be doing some leather cleaning on some of the products we have here in the store. We're going to start all the way on my right. So we have HYDROSILEX leather and plastic cleaner. This is a ready-to-use formula. If you guys are looking for something where you just have to buy it and it's ready to go, right up your alley. Right here we have one of my favorites. This is LVP Cleaner from 3D. In the 60-ounce bottle, this is ready to use, but if you guys get this by the gallon, you can do it 10 to 1, 4 to 1. First try it on a small area and then kind of go from there. This has a leather, like a synthetic kind of leather smell to it, so a lot of customers actually like that kind of smell. So we got this. Right here we have Gyeon's leather cleaner mild. They actually do make a heavy. We only have the mild here. And this is actually the prep that they use for their Gyeon leather shield coating, but you can use it just to clean your leather. It's gonna get the surface nice and kind of like tacky and like a matte finish, and then you can go back over with it with a wet towel and then go right into their coating. And then we have a fan favorite here. This is P&S Express Interior Cleaner. So not only is this good for like plastic and vinyl pieces and stuff, you can even use this on the infotainment screens on your cars, but you can also use this to clean leather. And fun fact, this actually started out life as a leather cleaner, and then a lot of people start noticing you can use it for plastic and vinyl, and guess what? It's a great leather cleaner now, so pretty foamy. So we're gonna start over here just to kind of show you. So I'm gonna come in. Is this ready? So this stuff just kind of has like a citrus kind of smell. Come in with our brush, little scrub pad that we have here. And I said it in another video, but the foam is turning brown. So this is definitely pulling off all the built up oils and gunk that's actually on the leather on this, so we can get the leather back to a nice factory matte finish. So once you get that nice and clean, and just want you to see, this was white when we got it, now it is brown. So come in and kind of buff this off. It's probably gonna be kind of hard to see. It is turning brown. You're pulling off all of the oils and dirt and stuff that's on this. So we actually got this out of the back seat of a Tesla, I think, that got in an accident. So this has probably been sitting for a long time, never been cleaned. So now here we're gonna do LVP. And like I tell a lot of guys that come into the store, this is pretty much gonna be safe on, the name says it, leather, vinyl, and plastic, but it does have that leather kind of synthetic kind of leather scent. So you guys got a really nice car and you want to have like that, still keep that new car kind of smell, this is probably the product for you. And this does prime the surface for their LVP conditioner actually. This also, as you can see, it does get nice and foamy, so it gives you that kind of lubrication, lifting the dirt up and stuff off the leather. This is, like I said, it's a Tesla, so it is like the vegan leather, but it's so synthetic, but on regular leather, this stuff is fine too. So see, it's pulled off some stuff on here as well. So we'll come in with the towel again to mop up. One thing I like about LVP is it dries. You'll see it here in a second. Dries like to a nice like matte finish. So now we're going to be using Gyeon's leather cleaner mild. And like I said in the beginning, this is a product that is designed to be used right before their leather coating, which a lot of guys will use this first. And this kind of goes on, like I said, it's real foamy initially. This is with the Gyeon sprayers. Gyeon wants you to, after you're done, to go over this with a wet microfiber. So you take like a wet towel with just water on it to wipe it down before you go right into their coating. But if you're just cleaning it, you can kind of just go right and just go into just mopping it up, and you should be okay. This stuff is actually really foamy. And yeah, I did the same thing, pulled off all that gunk on here. So we'll flip to a new side of our towel here, more side left. So I'm not sure you guys can see that, but man, I'm kind of going with LVP Express here in a second. you had air, then you could probably use air to kind of blow the rest of the stuff out, but the towel, I'm just gonna kind of get in there, get that stuff off. And finally, we go with Express. Like I was saying before, this stuff was originally designed as a leather cleaner, but people were finding that you could use it on anything else. And this, out of all the products, this has like a very unique, like fruity kind of smell. All the other ones, just like I said, this has the LVP is a leather. This just has like a citrus smell. This actually kind of smells like a fruity kind of candy. I don't know the exact smell, but it's a nice fresh kind of, almost like a spearminty kind of smell. It's pretty good. But extreme, this stuff's really foamy. A lot of lubrication in this, and then you get the foam on here turning down and kind of see it you're actually cleaning. And then you can see to flip it over, you're getting a lot of crap built up off of there, so that will. Now, all of these cleaners, none of them leave any kind of UV or protection or kind of conditioning behind. These are all strictly just cleaners. The only thing P&S does claim is it kind of conditions, I guess, makes it nice and smooth, the actual surface that you're doing it on. Yeah, I was gonna say. Oh yeah, no, it's like all like lines. So we have the scrub pads that we used in front of each product, so you guys can kind of see the level of dirt that we were able to get off. And you guys can kind of decide, which one you're going to use. All of them cleaned very good. All of them got this seat looking a lot better. I'm sure you guys can see in the video, but where we removed the tape, you can see how kind of oily and shiny these sections are, but every other section where we cleaned is now a nice matte finish, and all of them are very smooth to the touch. The only thing these are really needing is just some kind of conditioner, but these are all really high quality cleaners that we sell here in the store.